that shit on record, bitch. I got that shit on record, bitch. I got your shit on record. I got that shit on record, bitch. I got that shit on record, bitch. I got that. Oh shit! Oh shit! They scrapped it, bitch. God damn! Shit, I got that shit on record. I got that shit on record. Ooh! Oh, kill! Dang, dude. Damn! Damn! It's like, come at me, bro!
They're like, what are you guys looking at?
Yeah. Damn, what do you gotta say for that shit? What you gotta say for that? What you gotta say, bro?
Do not delete that at all.
What you gotta say, bro? Who won? Y'all decide. Who won? Y'all decide. I'm saying my boy Levi! Yeah, I'm saying my boy Levi! You suck dick too much. You suck dick. Go get you some real man. Go get you some real girls, bitch. Get out of here. Yeah, boy! Let's go, papers! Even though you freaking halfway lost, but you got up on that bitch. You started that. Alright, that was the dog fight. Duce Poo Poo, that freaking lost, bro. I thought you was gonna win. Versus the Babers. Versus the Babers. That freaking won. Winner! Here's your sponsor. Here, Duce. Why he mad? Because he lost? Yep. Duce!
I think Duce won, though.
No, he mad because he lost. Come on, baby.
GTA 5 in real life?
No, I'm good.
What? Remember?
Come on!
All the time?
I know.
Come on, let's play.